Hi, it's Dr. Matt Harkness with Allied Physical Therapy, and I'm here with Dr. Rafael. How are you doing?
I'm good, Dr. Matt.
Well, we're excited to deliver your weekly wellness connection to you this week. We are talking about today difficulty reaching in the cupboard to get that dinner plate out of the cupboard, and you're experiencing some shoulder pain. So what are some things that come to mind, Dr. Rafael, that we should be aware of and consider with this type of difficulty?
Yeah, I mean, typically when we see these type of occurrences at the clinic and stuff, our patients come in. Usually what I usually check for is what's happening at the shoulder chest area and also what's happening at the latissimus dorsi, or basically your back muscle and stuff. Usually when those muscles are tight, you're going to have a hard time bringing this arm forward to go and reach a cabinet. You'll start to do this and then you start developing other issues. So definitely I'm thinking the chest, shoulder, and those lat muscles in the back are probably areas that we're going to have to really work on.
Okay, so we're going to show you two great stretches, and remember, a habit is the goal, so it becomes subconscious. So let's take a look at these two stretches that are going to help us reach into the cupboard.
Hey everybody, how you doing? Dr. Rafael Rodriguez here. Just to cover a couple of quick tips on some of the things that we talked about earlier. Two quick stretches that you can do. I'd probably recommend using a doorway or something like this where you can grasp and hold on to. The first one is going to be a pec stretch. It's going to basically be a stretch for your chest muscles and a little bit of your shoulders as well. Basically what you're going to be doing is you have to open the doorway just like this, hold on to the doorway in this fashion, and you're basically holding, as you hold on, turn away from the doorway, pivot your feet if you can, and look away from the doorway. Don't keep your arm too high, keep it low, maybe right around, pretty much around the lower part of your chest is. Look this way and just bias so that way you can feel a nice little stretch in your chest and also your shoulder muscles. And again, you want to hold this stretch for about 10 to 30 seconds would be ideal. The second stretch I want to go over really quickly with you is for your lats. Whenever you're reaching out in this direction, if you don't have good length in this muscle, you're going to be limited on what you can do. But if you have good length, you can really raise your arm up nice and high. So one of the stretches that I like to do, again, using a doorway, is you're holding onto this doorway just like this. You want to get a good grasp with your hand. Put one hand, I like to put it on my thigh, just in this manner, and I'm just sitting back just like this, and I want to really make sure that I can have some of my weight going this way. My hand is supporting me, that way my legs aren't doing all the work, and I just want to kind of just do this stretch right over here. Okay, just to see what it would look like on the other side, it would just be just like this. So you can stretch all of these muscles right over here. And again, typically you want to hold these stretches for about 10 to 30 seconds. Alright everybody, hopefully you got those two little tips that you can use. If you have any further questions, check out our website. There's a lot of resources on there that you can really use. Or give us a call. We can schedule an appointment and talk and find out a way how we can best help you.